Last year, this dude couldn't even afford fries at McDonald's. Debit card, declined. This year, he just cashed out on a food truck franchise pulling in $20K a month. Wild, right? Trust me, you don't need to win the lottery, marry a billionaire, or invent the next TikTok to see that kind of change. It's 2025, and becoming a millionaire is more possible than ever, even if you're flat broke right now. Hey, I'm Josh, this is Stacked Pockets, where I stack knowledge, stack assets, and yeah, sometimes stack pancakes. Today I'm breaking down a real no-hype blueprint to hit your first million by the end of 2025. No get-rich-quick junk, no crypto FOMO, just steps and strategies that actually work. Real people, real stories, let's dive in. Step 1, understand the millionaire math. 1 million bucks, that's $83,333 a month or $2,739 a day, or $114 an hour if you somehow worked 24/7. But here's the trick. You don't need one monster job paying 80 grand a month. You need layers. Maybe it's 4 income streams making $20K each, or one main business plus an investment plus a product on the side. Or you flip 5 houses for $200K profit each. Check this, Tiffany Aliche, the budgetnista, started teaching finance after getting laid off. She built it into a multi-million-dollar empire. It's about creative math, not impossible math. Step 2, stack your income like Lego bricks. Most millionaires aren't riding one paycheck. They've got freelance gigs, rental income, dividends, an online business, maybe even affiliate commissions. Think Alex Hormozi, started with gyms. Now he's got books, courses, ownership in other companies. Or Kristen and Marcus, they combine real estate, YouTube, and online courses. You're not getting to a million from your 9-5, unless your 9-5 is selling yachts to billionaires. Step 3, build or buy a scalable business. If your cash flow depends on your time, you're capped. Scalable income is money rolling in, even if you're binge-watching Shark Tank. Start a service biz and grow it. Sell templates or courses. Try dropshipping, or build an audience on YouTube or TikTok and monetize it. Time-based jobs pay when you show up. Scalable businesses pay even when you don't. Think Kevin from accounting charges $45 an hour. But digital Kevin? He drops a course online and makes $450 while making popcorn. Be like digital Kevin. Step 4, invest like a millionaire in training. Saving is nice, but it won't make you rich. You need assets that grow stocks like SPY, VTI, QQQ real estate, rentals or REITs, maybe a little crypto, but the best is your own business. Some 22-year-old started putting $300 a month into VTI back in 2016. Today that's over $40K and he didn't even have to lift a finger. Your Jordans probably won't 10x in value, but your Apple stock might. Step 5, learn like a maniac. Every millionaire I know is a reader, a podcast junkie, or a YouTube sponge. You won't get rich watching prank videos all day, unless you're the one uploading them and cashing out on ads. Check out the Millionaire Fastlane, Rich Dad. Poor Dad, I will teach you to be rich. Listen to my first million, Graham Stephan or Ali Abdaal. Step 6, fix your money mindset. You'll never earn more than your brain allows. Millionaires think long-term, focus on value, see failure as feedback, and know when to pivot instead of quit. Sarah lost everything in 2020, started selling printables on Etsy, and now pulls in $100K a month. You become a millionaire the moment you start thinking like one. The money just needs a minute to catch up. Bonus round, ruthless action and time control. Treat your time like gold. Wake up with a plan, block out distractions, move fast, learn faster. Jeff Bezos isn't glued to Netflix all day. Neither should you, unless it's documentaries about Jeff Bezos. Made it this far? Congrats. You now know more than 99% of people who talk about being rich but never do anything. Here's your move. Pick one income stream. Build one product. Invest every month. Learn something every day. Repeat till your bank account matches your ambition. Like, subscribe and comment. I'm building my first million. Next week, side hustles that actually work in 2025. Remember, money isn't the goal, freedom is. Money just buys the ticket. Duh.